How's the sensitivity? Say A. Yes. Say B. Yes. Say C. Yes. Say D. Yes. Say E. Yes. Say F. F. Yes. Say G. Say G.
You're doing the full alphabet. You do other things.
G. Yes.
G.
Say H. Yes. Say I. Yes. Say J. Yes. Say K. Oh, you're clever. Say L. Yes. M. Yes. N. U. O. Yes. P. Yes. Q. R. Yeah. S. T. T. U. Yes. V. V. W. W. I was hard. X. Yes. Y. 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 Yes. Z. Z.
Right, say other thing now.
Z.
Cheese.
Very close. Now say cheese. Yes.
Cheese.
Say dad. Dad. Yeah. Say mum.
Yes.
Mum, yeah. Say camera.
Can I say something? Harrison, can you say babka?
Yes.
Say babka. Say babka. Say babka. Yes. Say babka. Woo! Say babka. Can you say babka?
Say babka.
Babka.
Bab.
Yes.
Babka.
Can you say doo-doo?
Yes.
Can you say toto? Toto. Coco.
Coco the
Not
clown.
good, no, that's not good. Toto.
No.
Say papa.
Papa. Papa.
What was the other thing yesterday? He said it sounded like a swear word, but it was actually.
You know how to say ball, don't you? Say ball. 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 Yes, you're clever.
I'm thinking, oh, he's got kitchen.
Am I the paparazzi? Like, no filming, no filming.